Hey guys, today I want to show you how I make my matcha protein shake. Not only is it delicious, but it's super filling and packed with a lot of great ingredients. First, take 2 tablespoons of water and heat it in the microwave for 20 seconds. Then take 1 teaspoon of ceremonial grade matcha and add it to the hot water. Taking a bamboo whisk the ingredients together until the mixture is smooth. The reason I do this is because I've added the matcha powder straight into the blender a few times and I noticed it just ended up clumping onto the side of my cup. Next, pour a cup of milk into your blender cup. I'm using oat milk because I'm lactose intolerant and it's also my milk of choice. Pour the matcha mixture into your blender along with a handful of ice cubes. Since there's some matcha left over in my cup, I'm going to pour a splash of milk into my cup, give it a good swirl, and pour that into my blender cup. To get my greens in for the day, I'm going to add a handful of baby spinach. Spinach is packed with vitamins, and it's also a veggie with high fiber content, so not only will it fill you up, but it's great for digestion as well. Now I'm going to add 1 frozen banana to my blender to give it that smoothie consistency. Since bananas are naturally sweet, I don't add any sweetener to my smoothie. I've already frozen my banana ahead of time. The next ingredient is optional. I'm going to sprinkle about half a tablespoon of Hemp Arts into the blender. Hemp Arts are really great for your heart and are high in omega-3s. Now add 2 scoops of protein. I'm using Orgain's organic plant-based protein powder since I'm lactose intolerant. My protein is unflavored, but any vanilla flavored protein works really well with this recipe. Close the lid and you're ready to blend. When all the ingredients are well blended, pour the smoothie into your cup. I like to sprinkle chia seeds on top of all of my smoothies after pouring it into a cup. And there you have it, a matcha protein shake packed with protein, vitamins, fiber, and omega-3s. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.